Well, Bob, I know you mentioned we have rain on the way, but I really enjoyed today's weather. I got a chance to go run out at Nathan Benderson Park, and in that nice breeze felt good today.
Oh, yeah, it did. It's going to be breezy tomorrow, too. The winds will stay stronger, so keep that in mind, anglers and boaters out there alike. We are going to see a bit breezy conditions. We had a fairly good sunset, I guess. We saw a little bit of the sun. A lot of it this afternoon after some clouds around this morning. And you'll see those clouds coming in from the Gulf of Mexico. That's in advance of that cold front. And there's a little glimmer of that sunshine there. Saw a little bit, not much, but photos were pretty good despite that. Fact that we didn't get a lot of that. But look at this photo. This is blowing up on my Facebook page right there. This was spotted today in Mayaca City. That is a buffalo. You don't see that very often. You know, we show you the snakes and we show you the alligators, but I figured I'd show you a buffalo. This from Zach George. It got out of I guess the fence there because they have some buffaloes out there in Mayaca City. Casey Key, Fred Seeger getting a good shot there, Fred. That's a nice shot with all the clouds there and the clouds moving in. Cindy Desmond also showing that. And that's the story. Clouds are going to be coming along with the cold front. You can see it back to the west of us now. The actual cold front's here, but this is called the prefrontal trough. And that usually brings some pretty big storms if the enough energy's out there. We are going to see some energy. Rain mainly Friday afternoon and evening. And then there'll be some rain coming back on Sunday. So Saturday looks to be the best of the days for the weekend. Some showers now continuing out in the Gulf of Mexico. These are moving off to the northeast, not much advancement in our direction. One or two of those may be around tomorrow morning after sunrise, but not a lot. The main rain comes later on in the afternoon and throughout the evening. It could have some implications for the start of some of the area's high school football action. And as far as the Futurecast goes, we'll start off with a few showers around in the morning, possibly, as I mentioned, 8 o'clock. Most areas should stay relatively dry, and then we'll see a little break, and we'll see a mixture of clouds and sun, more clouds than sun, I think. And then by 3:30, you'll start to see these storms fill in, and then showers. And there could be even a few isolated thunderstorms moving through, but then notice what happens by Saturday morning. Things clear out of here. The front clears. It turns cooler and a little drier, a little bit more sunshine. Then all of a sudden, all this works its way back northward as a warm front and brings a pretty good chance for showers and storms on Sunday. The atmosphere is starting to moisten up too, and even the upper levels of the atmosphere, all that dry air has slipped off to the east. The hourly planner tomorrow, a few showers are possible in the morning, but generally partly cloudy to mostly cloudy skies. Highs will be near seasonal averages. And then the showers and rain comes in the afternoon and evening hours. Current conditions at 73, and that dew point temperature has popped up to summer-like readings now at 72. Humidity very high, 96%. The high today warmed to 84, a couple degrees above average. We'll be closer to this number tomorrow due to the fact we'll see a little bit more cloudiness around. High pressure behind the system will eventually filter in for one day only, Saturday. And then it gets out of here as that front moves on through and another low pressure develops over the lower Mississippi Valley. Cooler temperatures in places like Cleveland, Cincinnati, Toledo, all be in the upper 40s to low 50s there, 40s in St. Louis, and highs tomorrow, as I said, in the 40s in Cleveland and Chicago, 71 in Dallas, and temperature of 82, 83 degrees right here on the Sun Coast. For boaters tomorrow, a little bit breezy, as I said. Winds will be out of the southwest. Unfortunately, with that west wind, that means we could see the potential for all the harmful impacts of red tide making their way onto the beaches. 70% chance for rain. That's mainly in the afternoon and evening. The rain chance in the morning at 30%, 20% on Saturday, and there it comes again on Sunday. 70% chance for light to moderate rain. And almost any time during the day on Sunday, temperatures do warm after that front moves on through.